Claude Cowork turns Claude into a digital coworker that works with your files. In this guide, you'll install the desktop app, sign in, and run your first task. No terminal, no coding. Let's get started.
Regular Claude chat gives you answers. Cowork gives you finished work. You describe an outcome, and Claude plans the steps, executes them in a safe sandbox, and delivers real files. You step away, and the work gets done.
You need 3 things. A paid Claude plan, starting at $20 a month, a Mac with Apple Silicon, or a Windows PC with the Pro Edition, and a stable internet connection. The free plan only includes chat.
Start at the official download page, claude.com/download. The headline says it all: Chat, Claude Cowork, and Claude Code, all in one place. Click Download for macOS or Download for Windows. Only use the official site.
On macOS, open the downloaded disk image. Drag the Claude app into your Applications folder. Then launch it from Applications and click Open if the system asks. Claude is now installed.
On Windows, run the installer and click Yes on the user account prompt. Wait for the progress bar to finish. If the full install fails, choose Install without Cowork and update it later. Launch Claude from the Start menu.
Sign in with the same account you use on Claude.ai. Choose Continue with Email or Continue with Google. Once inside, you'll see 3 tabs: Chat, Cowork, and Code. Click the Cowork tab to open the workspace. Here is the Cowork workspace. On the left, start new tasks and manage scheduled tasks and projects. In the middle, you'll see task suggestions. At the bottom, find the key checkbox. Work in a folder. On the right, pick your model.
Let's run your first task. Check work in a folder and choose a folder like Downloads. When asked, click Always Allow. Then type Organize my Downloads folder by type and date. Claude shows a plan. Approve it and watch each step complete. 42 files organized. To make every task follow your style, open Settings and go to Cowork. Click Edit next to Global Instructions and type how you like to work. Click Save. Every future task follows your rules.
You can also schedule work. Type /schedule in the composer and describe a repeating job, like a morning briefing at 9 a.m. Set the frequency and click Save. Cloud tasks keep running, even when your laptop is off. 2 errors are common. On Windows Home, Cowork may fail to connect because it needs the Pro Edition with Hyper-V. Upgrade or use Chat instead. On macOS, if the workspace fails to start, update the app and reinstall if needed.
And if you hit your usage limit, wait for the reset and save Cowork for bigger jobs.
That's the whole flow. 1. Download from claude.com/download. 2. Sign in with your paid plan. 3. Start a task in a folder. Use a dedicated work folder. And remember, deletions always ask for your permission. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy automating.